Mirror. A reflective surface, typically glass coated with a metal amalgam, which reflects a clear image. She looked at herself in the mirror. He adjusted the rearview mirror before driving. The mirror on the wall was beautifully framed. The calm lake acted like a natural mirror. They installed a large mirror in the hallway.